Good news for Nokia fans. If you're on the hunt for an amazing smartphone in the mid-budget range, Nokia is here to make your dreams come true. As one of the oldest and most iconic smartphone brands, Nokia has been away from the spotlight for a few years, but guess what? They're back with a bang. Nokia is all set to launch another incredible smartphone, and this one's a game changer. Packed with a jaw-dropping 250-megapixel camera and a massive 7500 mAh battery, this phone is going to blow your mind, and all of this at an unbelievable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G. So, if you're excited to buy this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today, we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G. This smartphone is a powerhouse. It comes with a stunning 6.75-inch Full HD Plus OLED display that boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, 390Hz touch sampling rate, HDR10 Plus support, and an in-display optical fingerprint sensor. And that's not all, it's also protected by Gorilla Glass 7, and has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Operating system. When it comes to the operating system, the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G runs on the latest Android 15. And under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring buttery smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G truly shines. It features a triple camera setup, with a primary 250-megapixel sensor, a 50-megapixel periscope sensor, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera that's ready to capture your best angles. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. This phone is a monster. This phone comes with a massive 7500 mAh battery that can easily last you 2 to 3 days on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, you've got 80-watt fast charging support and a USB Type-C Gen 2 port. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, the estimated price is around $1,000, which is a steal for the features you're getting. As for the launch date, mark your calendars, because the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G is expected to hit the market in early 2026.